How to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. Firstly, make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. Click on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right corner on your taskbar. Check if airplane mode is off. If it's on, then turn it off. Restart your PC or router. Try restarting your device or try to restart your router. Also, try connecting another device to the same Wi-Fi to confirm if it's a PC issue or a router issue. Press Window key plus I key on your keyboard to open settings. Select the option System. Now scroll down and look for the option Troubleshoot. Click on the option Troubleshoot. Now select the option Other Troubleshooters. Inside that, you should see an option called Network and Internet. On the right side, click on the Run button to run network and internet. If only a specific Wi-Fi network is lagging, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Click on the Wi-Fi icon and extend the Wi-Fi option. Now simply select the option Disconnect. After some time, reconnect the same Wi-Fi. That's all for today. Thank you.